The process to relocate residents from the Rosewood Center has already begun with yesterday's announcement that the beleaguered institution will close down in about 18 months.
Half of Rosewood's century-old history has been witnessed by one woman, Josephine Manns, who has lived here since August 26, 1957. A single mother in Baltimore could not care for her back then, and Rosewood would take the girl, who was 8 and developmentally disabled.
Rosewood Center has been serving the state of Maryland for over 108 years. The facility has adapted to the changing needs of consumers. With expansion of community-based services and other resources across the state, Rosewood has been able to refocus its resources on newer consumer care models and dramatically change the physical makeup of the facility. The old stone buildings that served as residential housing are no longer in use, having been replaced by smaller, efficient, ranch-style brick cottages that provide a more home-like environment.
Well, state officials acknowledge that moving all the Rosewood residents over the next 18 months will not be a simple matter. Expanding the number of spots in group homes is needed.
The Rosewood Asylum was an institution for people with development disabilities. The Rosewood Asylum was built in 1888 and came to a close on June 30, 2009. The asylum was also a training school for the feeble-minded. Only white children between 7 and 17 years of age were allowed into the asylum. Boys were taught farming, gardening, and carpentry, while girls learned sewing, washing, and milking. Despite the rapid expansions to the asylum, Rosewood continually suffered from overcrowding and a shortage of staff, often resulting in unsatisfactory patient conditions. These conditions were reported time after time during the 1940s in newspaper stories, culminating in 1949 in the series of articles in the Baltimore Sun on Rosewood and other state hospitals entitled Maryland's Shame. On January 15, 2008, the state of Maryland announced that Rosewood would be closed in the near future, and the process of transferring residents to a new facility began. Thank you so much for enjoying, everyone, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Get off the road. Yeah, let's get off the road.
guys want me to begin? And here's the
Wow, this place was built in 1888. This is Rosewood Asylum. Check this out. Look at all this stuff. Yo, what was that? What did that sound like to you? I don't know. It sounded like there was one right there, a sound from right there, and a sound from right there. Please. I don't know what that was. I really don't even want to know. I'm using this new night vision on my camera. What is that? Oh, it's a skull. Look, it's a deer.
Why
Look,
is there a deer skull in here?
that has to be a deer. Eye is right
Yeah,
there.
that's a deer skull.
Yeah, I think that is.
Right?
I'm not 100% sure. That's weird. Trevor,
Yeah.
how you feeling?
Feeling pretty good, man. Just a little bit unnerved, but it's going pretty good so far. See how this goes further on.
Hopefully we live through this.
Yeah. Let's see how this goes.
Let's do this. Let's go.
Kind of reminds me of that kind of thing at Hilltop. Remember that?
Mm-hmm. The stone in here is really cool. Like,
Yeah.
look at all this.
Dude, this is
cool
new.
stone.
That stone right there is very new. So they obviously did some remodeling.
Yeah. After seeing a security truck slowly drive by the asylum, Trevor and I decided to pack it up and call it a night.